In the distant galaxy of Andromeda, humanity had once flourished as a powerful civilization. But centuries of war and conflict had left their mark, causing their civilization to crumble into scattered remnants. Humans had taken to the stars, colonizing various planets and moons, each developing their own unique cultures and technologies. Amidst this fragmented existence, a long-forgotten threat from the past began to resurface. Ancient ruins were discovered on a remote planet, revealing a dark secret that had been buried for millennia. It was a warning, etched in a language long lost to time, speaking of an impending doom that threatened all of humanity. News of the discovery spread rapidly through the galaxies, igniting fear and panic among the scattered human colonies. But it also sparked something else, a glimmer of hope. For the first time in centuries, the remnants of humanity found a common cause that transcended their differences. They realized that if they were to survive, they must put aside their conflicts and unite against the looming threat. Leaders from different colonies convened in a council, setting aside their grievances and past grievances. They formed an alliance, pooling their resources and knowledge, and working tirelessly to decipher the ancient warning. It revealed that a powerful extraterrestrial race known as the Xanarites, who had once ravaged the galaxy, were on the verge of returning to exact their vengeance upon humanity. As the Xanarite invasion drew near, the human colonies hastily prepared for battle. Ships were retrofitted, weapons were upgraded, and troops were trained. But the Xanarites were a formidable enemy, with advanced technology and immense power. It was clear that victory could only be achieved through unity and cooperation. The battle raged across the galaxy, with human colonies fighting side by side, putting their differences aside in the face of a common enemy. It was not an easy fight. Many lives were lost, and planets were laid to waste. But the remnants of humanity refused to give up. They fought with tenacity, drawing upon the legacy of their once great civilization. In the midst of the chaos, a young engineer named Maya emerged as a pivotal figure. Her brilliance in deciphering the ancient warning and her unwavering determination to save humanity inspired others to join the cause. She led a team of scientists and engineers in developing a daring plan to disable the Xanarites' formidable warships from within. With great courage and sacrifice, Maya and her team infiltrated the Xanarites' flagship, disabling its weapons and systems. It was a decisive moment that turned the tide of the war. The human alliance seized the opportunity and launched a counterattack, pushing the Xanarites back and ultimately driving them away from Andromeda. The remnants of humanity had prevailed, united by a common purpose. In the aftermath of the war, the scattered colonies came together, forming a new interstellar civilization that carried forward the legacy of their ancestors. They vowed to never forget the lessons of the past and to continue exploring the stars, united in their pursuit of knowledge, peace, and cooperation among the galaxies. And so, the once great civilization of humanity rose from the ashes, rekindling the spirit of unity and igniting a new legacy among the stars. Maya's name became a legend, remembered as the one who had led humanity to victory and sparked a new era of cooperation among the stars. The ancient warning that had been heeded, reminding future generations of the power of unity in the face of adversity.